What I bring to you guys today is a battery tester with printer and also a lithium battery jump starter. Yeah. So normally when we cannot jump start the car, we want to make sure if the car is if the car battery is really dead or it's just the auto power. So under this situation, we need the battery tester.
Okay.
Yeah, so first I would like to introduce the battery tester first.
Okay.
So hey, guys, we would like to introduce the outlook first. Yeah, so for this battery tester, you can have a look. We got a printer on the top head.
Yeah.
And the LCD screen here to display the testing results.
It's very modern design, yeah.
Yeah, and also 5 buttons for easy operation. And you may already notice that we got a rubber side plate here.
So why you design like this?
We make it very comfortable when customers grip this product. And also, it is not easy to slide from your hand when you grip like this. So maybe you can feel.
You try?
Yeah.
Yes. It's very soft. Yeah.
Yes.
So when you grab in your hand, it's not easy to slide.
Yes, sure. That's why we designed this.
Okay, great.
And on the back side, we got 2 clamps. It's the black clamp and the red clamp. And also, we got a 9-volt battery cabinet here.
Okay, so this is to place the battery inside?
Yeah, we normally we do not put a battery inside, but in some situation, if the battery voltage is very low, it cannot provide the power to the battery tester because it does not. Normally, this battery tester needs the power from the car battery, so it can work. So if the car battery does not have a higher voltage, then under such situation, we need this 9-volt battery to help.
Okay, so the battery can also supply some power to the tester?
Yes. So now I think
it's time to show the main function for the tester. Yeah.
Yes. So first of all, we need to do is take off the clamp from the back side. So Emily,
how
could
to
you
connect it?
please?
My pleasure. Yeah.
Do you have? So take off the 2 clamps on the back side. So we got 2 clamps. One is the red clamp and the one is the black clamp. And this black is go to the battery negative terminal, and this red go to the battery positive terminal.
Okay.
And here we
connect.
I
have one question. So if we connect the wrong terminal, what will happen?
Don't worry, we got the reverse polarity protection for our battery tester. So even you got the wrong connection, it is very safe. Yeah, okay, I can try this for you. So guys, you can have a look. Here is the negative, and here is the positive. So now please note it's the wrong operation now.
Yeah. We just won't show you what will happen if we connect the wrong terminal. Yeah.
Yes. So now the red go to the negative, and the black go to the positive. So you see?
Yeah. No light.
Nothing will happen on this LCD screen because we got the protection inside. So now let's do the right operation. Yeah, take off the clamp.
Okay, so the right way is the red clamp to the positive or terminal, and the black clamp to the negative or battery. Yeah, this is the correct connection.
So now you can see after we got the right connection, the LCD screen is light on.
Yes.
Yes. So here you can see on the first line is the voltage of this battery, and on the second line we got words to tell you what you need to do after you connect the clamps.
Yeah. So I noticed that in the last line there's a date and time here. So is it adjustable?
Yes, actually, this date and time can be adjustable. You can adjust the date and time before you test.
Okay.
Okay. So, maybe I can show you later.
Okay, great.
Okay. Now, so we, according to the warning, we need to press the Enter button to go to the next page.
Yeah.
Press the button on the right side. It's Enter button. Yeah, here we got the main interface. So here we got several functions selected.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see we have the battery test function
Oh, yeah.
and starter test function and the alternator test function.
So is this the main function for the tester?
Yeah, this is the main function of this battery tester. And also when you press down button, you can go to the next page to have a look of some other small functions.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, the first line is view test results. That means you can review the previous test results.
Okay.
And this here, next line is the date and time setting. It's just we mentioned. So
Yeah. It's
maybe,
time to show you
yeah,
how to
maybe I
adjust
show you
it.
guys. Yeah. So press the down button. Now it is blinking. That means you can select this function. Now we press enter button to enter this function. Here we got several numbers here. This is the year and the month and the date and the time here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So you can adjust according to today's date.
Today is June 16th.
Yeah, today is June 16th, so let's adjust it.
Okay.
So the first is year as the limited space here. So we only display the last two numbers of this year. So this year is 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the operation of the year. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, correct. So we press the enter button to go to the month setting. Now it's June is correct. We do not need to adjust. And next is the date. Today is 16. We need to adjust. So what we need to do is to press the up button. Yeah, to go to the 16.
Yeah. Now is the correct date and time. Date. Yeah.
Yeah, time. Because I have no idea what time is it.
Okay.
So you guys.
I think the time is the same way as the date
Yeah,
adjustment.
yes.
Yeah.
So
Great.
it's the same way to, with the date adjusting.
Okay. So do we need to adjust the time when we use it?
Every time?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you do not need. After you set the right time this time and you start your date and time setting, next time when you try to use this product, but after you connect the clamp, it shows the right time.
Okay. Thank you.
So how to, after we setting the date time, how we set the date and time?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We need to press the enter button for a long time, so you can store the date and time setting. Yeah, but some customers might have one questions. What if they set the wrong date and time?
Yeah.
So before we show you how to store the date and time setting, I would like to show you how to adjust if you got the wrong date and time accidentally.
Yes. Sometimes customer will set the wrong date. Yeah.
Yeah, you just need to press the enter button. Go to the next second setting.
Okay.
And then press the enter button again. And go back to the year setting.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can adjust the date and time again.
It's very
So
convenient.
let's assume this is already the right time and
Yeah.
date.
So
Now
let's
let's
turn to the main interface.
Now let's first store the date and time
first date.
setting. Yeah. So
So,
press enter button for a few seconds. Yeah, you see now it's already stored.
Yeah.
Date
it's the
and time.
correct time.
Yeah. So now let's. I think it is. It's time to show.
No, I just see the. Oh yeah, it's time to show the main function. Yeah.
Okay. So now we can start to test the battery. So this line is blinking now. So we can press enter button to go to this function test.
Oh yes. We noticed that there are several words here. So what that means?
Actually, it's a different test standard for different battery and also for different market.
So how does customer know what kind of standard of their batteries?
Normally, on the car battery, the test standard and also the ratings will be printed on the housing of the battery.
Okay.
So take this for example. You can have a look. We got the
This is
Yeah, we
EN
got-
standard.
Yeah,
here.
EN standard, and the rating is 660 amp.
Okay.
Yeah, so now let's select the right test standard. So guys, make sure you select the right test standard in case we can get a correct test result.
Okay. EN.
Yeah, EN, press the down button to select EN test standard, and press the enter button, select.
Okay. So now is the amp here.
Yeah, it's a rating setting now. Because for each test standard, for each battery, we got a rating.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here this 600 is actually a default value. So
Okay.
we set a default value for different test standard.
So how to adjust it? Since you just mentioned, yeah, we noticed that the amp here is 660. Yeah.
Yes, it's 660. So now the default value is 600. So what we need to do is press the up button to
Okay.
adjust this value.
Okay. So the up button means increase.
Yes.
The down button means reduce, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay.
So we press the up button to go to 660. So you may notice it's 5 a step.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
here we
nice.
got the
Correct
right
figure,
rating.
yeah, yeah.
So after we select the right test standard and set the right rating, so now let's show you our
Okay. The
testing.
correct standard.
Yeah.
It's
So
time to
press
testing.
the enter button to
Yeah.
start test. So you can see now it's testing.
Oh yeah. The
Here
test
we got
result
our
here it is,
test
yeah.
result. It shows the battery is a quite a good battery. Yeah, you can also see the volt, the EN test result here, and also the date and time.
Okay, so you just mentioned that the tester has a printer here. So how do we test the test data?
You want to know how to
Yeah.
print the
Yeah, how to
test
print,
result.
sorry, yeah.
Yeah. So what we need to do is press the print button here. On the downside, we got a print button. You press this button, so you can get your test result printed
Okay.
automatically.
Yes, great.
And also some customers want, because you see now only a test result as the same display on the screen, and some customers maybe want to have their own company name
Yeah.
and also their phone number. So we also got such a function
Yeah,
that
maybe
is
some adjust.
customized. Yeah,
adjust can
customized.
also-
Yeah. So if you have such requirement, you can just send your requirement to us. We can make according to your requirement.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
when customer use out the roll paper, where they can buy it? It is universal?
Yeah, actually, it's a standard roll paper you can buy in the store.
Oh, so
Yes.
any store,
Yes.
repairing store, we can buy it?
Yes,
okay,
you can
great.
buy. And also for this battery tester, we got another two functions, is starter and alternator test. But that's why we need to start the car. So maybe we can also try this this car battery because it is low battery. It's
Okay.
low voltage. So actually, it cannot provide power to this battery tester. So
Okay.
let me show you.
Yeah.
So you can see nothing happens on this LCD screen. So this battery is already in a low voltage.
Yeah.